I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never...
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, this shoe right here is one that I have never had in my collection. I've never had a version of this shoe. This is a low top sneaker. I've had a high top version of it before, but I currently don't own any of this particular style of shoe in my entire collection right now. So let's go ahead and bring it in. As you can see, boom, Nike box. It's been years, couple different countries, few different continents that it's been a while since I've had a pair of this kind of shoe. Never had the low tops though. So these are the Nike Dunk Low Retro Be True to Your School, BTTYS. It almost looks like it says biddies, giggity. But colorway on these bad boys is apple green yellow. Alright, size 14 on these bad boys here. I don't know if that is a good size. I kind of feel like they would fit like Jordans, and I think in the high tops that I had before years ago, I think they were a size 14, so I'm kind of winging it. But I had to give these a shot, man. I know everybody and their moms has a pair of the Pandas. I've never had a Pandas. I never really cared for them. But these, when these dropped, I said, I'm going to go for these, man. So let's get on into them, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very clean. Very clean. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Nike Dunk Low Retro. Alright. The green and yellows. The green and golds, however you want to look at this. Green and yellow. And you know, the reason that I had to get this particular colorway as my first Dunk Low is because these were my high school colors. I may have mentioned that before. You can see that on my shirt right now. I started out at Fort Knox High in Fort Knox, Kentucky. Fort Knox High School, the Eagles, you know. That was my first 2 years of high school. And it's green and gold, so I can wear these with this shirt. But also, when I graduated high school, I graduated in Columbus, Georgia. And I graduated from Spencer High School. The Green Waves and their colorway is also the same. I went 2 different states, 2 different high schools, ultimately the same colors for all 4 years. Crazy how that happens. But when I saw these, I said, I gotta go with these. I just got to. Alright, green bottoms. Very reminiscent of Jordans to me. I mean, I really can't remember how Dunks fit, feel, look, anything. It's been that long, and like I said, I've never had the lows. But just from the looking at them, to me, they are cut similarly to what I feel like Jordans are. They do look a little longer though, so that has me a little worried. But I like the color blocking here, man. I like how the shoe is constructed. Nike on the back and the green on that yellow. All right. On the tongue, you have Nike there. Let me move that shoestring. The Nike in the green on the yellow patch. And then on the inside there, green insole, yellow coloring Nike. All right, with your size tag. Is there anything else? Yellow laces, of course. Let me give a quick peek to the right and see if there's any differences. No, pretty much the exact same. They don't come with any other laces, white, green laces. They don't. What you see is what you get. All right. So you know what we got to do now? We got to take these boys on feet. All right. So here we are on feet. And the Nike Dunk Lows. All right. Nike Dunk Low Retro. All right. Now, for the fit, I'm going to be honest with you guys. These are probably, in a size 14, these are probably a half size too big. Not going to lie. About a half size too big. Can I rock them? Yes. Yes, I absolutely can. My toe is here. I would prefer for my toe, my big toe, to be just a little bit further up in these. Like maybe that much more. That's the difference, really. So if it were at all possible to get a size 13.5 in these, then I think it would be exactly how I want them to fit. Like a 13.5 would probably do it. And then I feel like maybe a 13 would be pushing it maybe, but man, just that half size down in this case might do the trick. So 13.5 is what I say is my true size, but of course that was not an option here. And since I didn't know which way to go, since I've never had this shoe, I went, let me go up instead of down. So, and you can't go back and get them. I think they're sold out now. So, anyway, let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Very nice shoe. Very nice shoe. I do wish that I could have gotten them in a size 13.5. That might have done, these a little bit better for me as far as the fit. So my recommendation for you all is to not go up a size or not go up half a size. True size, at worst, maybe you could go half a size down, but that's my size recommendation. Be that as it may, I'm still going to rock them. It's still a pretty decent fit for me. Not enough that I feel like I need to return them. They're not flopping around. They're not way too big. It's just a little bit. Just a little bit smaller would have been perfect. Would have been perfect for me. But I have seen these referred to as the Reverse Brazil. I've also seen these referred to as the Nike Dunk Low Oregon. All right. But whatever. I can see these being the Oregon colorways. But I had to have them. I saw the Be True to Your School thing. My high schools were this colorway, so it just resonated with me instantly based off of those colorways. All right. They are sold out on Nike.com, so if you want these, you may have to go to the GOATs or the StockX's of the world. But from what I saw, they're not priced that high. It's not like you're going to pay much over retail. Maybe $10 or so. So if you want them, I would recommend them. They're pretty clean. Go ahead and check for them. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.